Good evening, sir. My name is Crisil Joy Balyasa. Pambi is IT3G. Then this is my activity that I did. So start with select asterisk from 3G where group na equals 8. Order by age. Greater than 21. This limit 3. Then proceed to go. And here is, as you can see, the result show the all ages greater than 21 will show to the output of our code from SQL. Then next we proceed to second act. So now let's start to my SQL wildcards. Select asterisk from 3G where ln like b%, then go again to show the output of my code. And here's the output. All letter B that have last name will show. Here is my third act. SQL select distinct. First select, then type distinct. Group num, then fn, and then ln, and of course age and section from 3G. Group by group num, then semicolon, then proceed to go to show the result. As you can see, here is the output. Nakikita nyo, nagpakita yung group num, fn, ln, age, and section niya. For group, may isang representative na pinakita. That's all. Thank you.